Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tasks into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to add an American Express card to Google Pay. If you're tired of fumbling for your wallet during payments, this guide will get you set up for seamless, contactless transactions in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have the Google Pay app installed on your Android device. If you don't, head to the Google Play Store, search for Google Pay, and download it for free. Once that's done, open the app and sign in with your Google account. It's the same one you use for Gmail or other Google services, so it should be quick and easy. Now, let's get to the fun part. Tap on your profile icon or the menu in the top left corner to access your settings. From there, look for the Payment Methods or Add a Card option. It's usually front and center. When you select it, you'll see an option to add a new card. Go ahead and tap that. Next, you'll need to enter your American Express card details. That includes the card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any issues. Google Pay might ask you to verify your card through a text message or an email, so keep an eye on your phone. Once verification is complete, hit Save or Add Card, and voila! Your American Express card is now linked to Google Pay. You can start using it for payments at stores, online, or even for transit in supported areas. Remember, not all banks or cards work everywhere, so if you run into any problems, check with American Express for compatibility. That's it for today's tutorial. Adding your card is a game changer for quick and secure payments. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.